To install an eSIM on an Android device, first go to Settings, pull down from the top, and click the wagon wheel at the top right. Go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager or SIM Manager. Then there will be a button there to add eSIM. Click Add eSIM, and you'll want to select Scan QR Code from Service Provider. That'll bring up the camera. You point it at the QR code. It reads that QR code quickly, recognizes that it's eSIM, and you simply click Add. This may take a few minutes. And as a note, you want to make sure you have Wi-Fi coverage when adding or removing an eSIM. Okay, the new eSIM is available. Now I want to select that eSIM so I can modify certain aspects. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Business. Done. And I like to change the icon on Android. Allows you to give it a different type of icon. I select Office just so it has a business type feel to it. And that is it. Now we can go into the mobile network settings. Ensure the configuration is correct. VoLTE is on for the business line, which is what we want. And we can exit out. Now if I go into the native phone application and go to the dial pad, and if I dial a number, you'll notice a new button will appear after I start dialing at the bottom. There's by default it'll select the personal line, but I'll change it to business. And we'll go over here to the recents, and the recents will also show that call there at the top at 8:19 a.m. It has the icon corresponding to my business SIM. So if I make a call from the recents, if I call that number directly, it would ask me to select it. So I'm going to select, and that is it.